Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to draw a cute panda. And all you're going to need is a pen or pencil and a piece of paper. So let's get started. First, draw a circle on your piece of paper. This is going to be our panda's head. Now for our panda's body, we're going to draw another circle, but this is going to be an incomplete circle. Now we're going to draw our panda's ears. So draw two semicircles right on top of our panda's head. For our eye patches, we're going to draw two ovals, just like this. And for our panda's eyes, we're going to draw two small circles inside of those eye patches, just like this. Next, we're going to give our panda a cute little nose by drawing a small oval in between those eye patches. Then for our panda's mouth, we're going to make a J, the letter J, just like that, starting from the bottom of our nose and curling outwards. Now to complete your mouth, we're going to draw a backwards J, so just a flipped image of that J that we just drew. For our panda bear's arms, we're going to draw a bean shape for each one of those arms. So imagine some jelly beans and draw one for each side. Now we're going to start forming our panda bear's belly. So just connect a small line from the bottom of our panda's head to its shoulder on each side. Complete the belly by making a U shape, starting from one arm and ending to the other. For a panda bear's feet, we're going to draw two small ovals, spaced just a little bit away from the panda bear's body and set slightly apart. Now to form the outside of our panda bear's legs, we're going to start from about the middle of that panda bear's body and drawing a curved line all the way to the outside of the panda bear's feet. We do that on each side. Now we're going to complete the legs by drawing a line from the bottom middle of the panda bear's body to the inner corner of its feet on each side. Now we're going to add in some details. So we're going to go back to the ears and draw a smaller semicircle in each of those ears. Now we're going to add some more details to its eyes. So draw another smaller circle in each one of those eyes. Congratulations, you guys! You now know how to draw a panda. So thank you so much for drawing with me. I hope you guys had a good time. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to get notified for any future videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.